मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ आपका, ठीक है?
I want you to guide me. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What's your plan? नजर नहीं आ रहा। तो हमारा कोई प्लान होगा ना, हमें पहले इसको कट करना है या इसको अवॉइड करना है। अभी ये बेटा कौन है हमारे? कैमरा? I don't want any patients put on me. Okay, we are being. Okay, you can tell the history.
Okay.
And you can also share some of the things that we did. Okay, let's stop.
Okay, so we are starting the colonoscopy of this lady. She is a middle-aged female, no known comorbidities. She came to us with complaints of tenesmus and generalized abdominal pain, along with decreased appetite and weight loss from 78 to 65 kgs. She is not anemic, she has no constipation, no fever, and she had a difficult diarrhea. So that was one clue for us, but however she has no bleeding PR. So we're doing her colonoscopy now. Thank you.
किया, चलो जाओ, go थोड़ा सा किया। You're starting now? Okay. Okay. So you already know the history of this patient? Keep going, well done. Okay.
आपको तकलीफ तो नहीं हो रही?
ये थोड़ी सी
Yes, we know the history.
Just a little bit, tip up करें। अब आपने जाना चाहें, अगर पेशेंट को पेन हुआ है तो हमने ये देखना है कि हम हैं किधर। अब देखें आपका स्कोप, इसको वापस यहाँ रखते हैं, स्ट्रेट करते हैं, ठीक है। एंड वी सी वी ऑलरेडी गॉट इट अबाउट 40, बट वी आर ओके। अगर आपके दर्द होगा तो आप बताएंगे, ठीक है। चलो, अब आपने करना है, इसको पहले भी पेन हो रहा था ना इनको, तो थोड़ा सा पुल बैक करेंगे। ओके, एक काम करो, एक अकिन्स और एक डॉमी और दे दो प्लीज। थोड़ा सा एयर निकालो, राइट, एंड पुल बैक थोड़ा सा। The patient has had pain, right? Yes. So just we now going to be careful here, and you need to make sure that क्या हुआ, ठीक है, हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, चलो, ओके, पुल बैक करो और पुल बैक करो, ठीक है, ओके, गो बैक इन gently. Now the first thing they're going to move is their feet, right, if they have pain. So you keep an eye on the feet as well and just reassure the patient from time to time. Okay, now well done. Go. Pull back now, pull back. Okay, pull back. Right. Pull back karte as you got into this, you just turn back. So do it again. Right, pull back. Now you need to turn. Yes, well done. Now थोड़ा सा पीछे आ गया, कोई बात नहीं. Do it again. You don't have to do so much. देखो एक मिनट में देखो. You're like this, right? छोड़ दिया. So we are here, right? Right? हम यहीं पे हैं ना. Let's come back. So I'm just doing anti-clock. My hand's gone down. See, that it easy for me. And थोड़ा सा pull back किया, थोड़ा सा pull back किया, थोड़ा सा pull back किया. I want to see where do we have to go. So now I think we need to go on the right. So all I am going to do is do a clockwise, come back a little bit, see where we are. So we are down there, right? So I know that I need a little bit more torque. So now I have gone in here, right? So आप यहाँ थे ना, थोड़ा सा pull back किया, pull back करने के साथ साथ I'm going to try and see if I can use the same torque and go. Okay. And I have a feeling she might have a little bit of pain because of this, so I'm going to keep an eye on her. She's doing well. Okay. She's doing well. So we are good. Taking air out. And gently look at what my right hand has done. It's come close to me, right? So, okay. So now I know we have a loop. So we need to reduce that loop. Okay, if possible. I've just taken it from you because I am sorry, but I know she had some pain, so I didn't want to. And this was not going to be easy because she already had pain. And I'll take this. Okay, so yeah, I'm now reducing my loop, right? And as I'm reducing my loop, I'm looking at where the lumen is. I guess it should be here somewhere on the left. If not, come back. First, be with those seconds. So we've got rid of the loop, but we've fallen back a little bit. So go back. So I'm trying to reduce the loop. So I tried clockwise, didn't work. So I'm gentle anti-clock. Gentle anti-clock. Falling back a bit. So I'm going to try and do a clock here. Look at my scope position. Throughout, it's almost always going to be straight, okay? So now I'm pulling back. I know we have a loop. I know we have a loop. I know we have a loop. Okay. Brought out as much as I could. Trying going again in.
Pulling it up so to push it in.
So once I've taken the loop out enough, the problem is that when I try and it's getting a little difficult to remove the loop. So what I'm going to do is, one of the options we have here is to just use a little bit of pressure. Or ideally, if I had her lie down on her back, I think it would be great. But I try and avoid that in females, so I'm just going to try without. But what I need to do is work on getting this loop out. And if I can, then I'm good. So we have actually stretched it almost out now. Once I have my loop out, then I know that we'll be okay, but then we fall back. So we'll have to do again. So while I'm inserting the scope slowly, I'm also taking the air out. And both of these things are helping me I know that it's somewhere here, so I'm now using my big wheel. I'm trying to get past it. So third time you managed to go through it, okay? Almost. एक काम करो यार, थोड़ा सा मुझे प्रेशर दे दो प्लीज. आई थिंक वी विल गो थ्रू दिस. जस्ट जेंटल प्रेशर देना मुझे प्लीज. So I tried the same thing practically 3 times. आहिस्ता से ज़्यादा उनके दर्द होता है. ठीक है. And once I was in, I managed to reduce my loop here. ठीक है. And once I have reduced my loop, we should be able to go without any problems, hopefully. I'm reducing my loop, trying to maintain my position. वाटर है यहाँ पे देना कहाँ है? Where do you think I should go? No. I just do a tip up. Okay. So once you've done this, now you're okay. She shouldn't have pain now. Yellow. You can do that. I'm sorry I had to take because she came in with pain and she started having pain, so I thought it would not be fair on her. अब ज़रूरत नहीं. Yellow. ठीक है. So I'm giving you straight scope. Lumen in front. Again, sorry I had to take over. Now, अपनी scope position हिलनी नहीं चाहिए. The good scope position should not move. Yeah. So now it should be straight forward. चले. Go on. Air निकालो. As you are going in, gently take your air out. Paul says sip. You just keep sipping, so you don't have the mucosa coming on your head, on your face, and you can actually just keep going in. So, yeah. You are falling back. Yeah. Clockwise, anti-clock rotation, please. Yeah, anti-clock more. Pull back, थोड़ा सा pull back, gently. Okay. Now clockwise and reduce. चलो, जाने दो अगर जा रहा है तो. Okay. This time I think it will be worth. Let's stop here, and let's see where you are. How deep are you? ठीक है. So you have a loop. And you also have difficulty here, right? So can we reduce this loop or not? Two things. One, can you move forward the way you are?
Yes sir, it's a little bit difficult.
If there is difficulty, so what is our algorithm?
Either you have to change the position or you have to
First we have to reduce. First you have to. You have two options to reduce the loop. One is to do a clockwise rotation and pull it back, and the other is anti-clock. So what do you plan to do?
I will do the first anti-clockwise.
You want to do clockwise first? Okay, go ahead. Keep lumen in front of you. There is, watch the thing. Keeping lumen right in the center, that's when you reduce. If you lose the view, then you don't know what's happening. Okay, right?
Try the anti-clockwise.
Try the anti-clockwise. So you lost It's not working. Just pull back slowly. Just gently pull back. Tip up, pull back. Just pull back straight. Tip up, pull back. Right, keep pulling back. Keep pulling back. Right, now you're coming one to one.
Yes, sir.
Take air out a little bit. Sip the air. Bas. Sip, not
Okay. Yes, sir.
not suction. I am talking about sipping.
Yes,
So sipping is
sir. Yes,
ये ना ये finger.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Right. Now go back in. ठीक है. You will. Is there resistance at the distal end? Because if there is, then you need to put some gel. थोड़ी सी gel दो यार. No. चलो थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे कर लो and see if this becomes easy. Pull back first. Always pull back first. Pull back, 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 pull back. Take, sip some air. Okay. Where is the suction in your scope? What position?
It's 6 o'clock.
5 o'clock, yeah. Okay, pull back. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Let this damn thing go. Air or wash, air को लगाओ ताकि ये हटे यहाँ से. Okay, good. Now just go back again and try and see if you can go back in. Okay, go. Go. You have to be careful now. You've got a loop. Have a look. How much scope is in? 80 ho gaya, right? So now chances are that she may end up having pain if we go further because you're not going easy, right? So pull back your scope, bring it to where it was. Yeah, keep pulling back, keep pulling back, keep pulling back, keep pulling back, until you get 1-1. Keep pulling back, keep pulling back. Okay, keep pulling back, keep pulling back. Suction, halka sa sip. Thoda sa aur. Good. Right. Now what? What is our next option?
Either we can if the patient.
We can ask the patient. We can have a little bit of pressure, right? So first, ये तो तुमने suction किया. Again, you lost your lumen. Lumen को अपने सामने रखो ना. आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं करो बेटा. So now what we are going to do is apply थोड़ा सा pressure दो यार. Tip up करो. Tip up करो. बस थोड़ा सा. Good. Now go in. Go in. But where do you want to go in? Where you want to go in, you don't want to let that part move, right? So keep that in center and go in. Yes, keep going. Take a little bit of sipping, 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 sipping. Thodi si. Good. Well done. Now what? Well done. Well done. Tip, right, tip up, slight anti-clock. Well done. Excellent. Where are you now? Approximate idea. अब suction करो थोड़ा यहाँ पे. Okay, no, 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 sipping, sipping, sipping. Okay, ठीक है. पीछे pull back करो. Where do you think you are? ऐसी just idea.
Hepatic flexure.
Hepatic flexure. Okay, fine. So pull back. ये तुम्हारा mucosa साथ चिपका हुआ है ना? Put some air in so it will go away. Yeah. Right, good. Now go in. Here, there are 2-3 options, right? Whatever you like, you do first, and let's see if you're successful. Should he continue pressure, or you're okay now?
I'm okay now.
You're okay? So who's going to tell him to stop pressing? Not me. Right? Okay, go in. Right? अब किधर जाना है हमने? एक मिनट ठहरो. Stop.
3 o'clock.
Huh?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. So what can you do? You're talking about going into right, right?
Yes.
So what option do you have?
Moving anti-clock and moving clockwise
Huh?
and moving the
What about the big wheel?
big wheel upwards.
Yeah, so do that. Big wheel up. थोड़ा सा अंदर जाओ. Okay, now turn, 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 tip up. Well done. Pull back. You're in cecum. ठीक है? Now just do sipping again. No suction, only sipping. Okay, that's enough. Go. Shabash. Advance your scope. Wash your screen. Can you drive your car without seeing?
No, sir.
You can't drive your scope without seeing. Suction कम कर दो यार. Make it 2 यार. Slow करो. This is too much suction. 2 पे कर दो या 1 पे. Yeah. Okay, chalo, go in. Okay, now supposing you're not able to get into cecum, what options do we have? You try everything that you have, you still can't. You put the patient supine and you will almost always get in, okay? So keep that in mind. Right now, clockwise, thoda sa karke, and go in and just sip. Thoda sa sip karo, cecum will come to you. Well done. Thoda sa sip bhi kar lo yaar. That's it. Yeah, go in, it will come to you. Well done. It's already there. Now, you tell your patient something, please. You haven't spoken to her.
आपको तकलीफ तो नहीं हो रही?
Good. What else are you going to tell her?
आपका मुआयना हम तकरीबन कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, वापस आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? इस वक्त तक हमें आपकी जो आंतें हैं वो नॉर्मल मिल रही हैं, बिल्कुल।
Well
ठीक है?
done.
जी।
बिल्कुल सब ठीक है. बिल्कुल परेशानी की कोई बात नहीं है. Well done. आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है. Good. So what are we looking for? We're looking for appendicular orifice that's right in front of me. Tip up. Okay. So where should where do you expect the ileocecal valve to be?
11 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Wow, how come 11 o'clock?
Sir, exactly.
Where would it be? Right angle of that, right?
Yes, sir.
So right across. Yeah, where you are now going. So anti-clock करो, gently, tip up हल्का सा, anti-clock करते रहो, शाबाश, you are almost in. Yes, go on, anti-clock, थोड़ा सा anti-clock. Good. Pull back your scope a little bit, just a little bit. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Anti-clock maintain, please. Yeah, good. I think you're in. You're in TI. थोड़ा सा pull back कर लो. Unless you've fallen back just now. Oh, you were in. चलो कोई बात नहीं. If you can go in once, you will easily be able to go into it again, right? So we don't have to go in again. You've already done it. Yeah, are you happy with seeing the cecum?
Yes, sir. I am happy with this.
Well done. If you are happy, then come back. You are the captain. I am not. If you are not, अगर नहीं होगा happy तो आप decide करोगे. I am not the doctor. I am just standing. Put his name on the report, okay? He is responsible, not me. ठीक है? You understood how you got into terminal ileum. देखो, look at this here. Your terminal ileum is just behind here.
जी.
What you do is, you put a little bit of top, come back anti-clock. You are coming like this. You have an opening here, right? You're coming here. As you get into this, now you need to do something to get in. One is obviously you keep the tip up. Then you have this anti-clock, right? Movement which is maintaining this position. At the same time, what you do is, because your scope is like this, you want to straighten it, goes in.
So it's like kind of opens the curtains.
Yeah. Okay, good. So even in this lady, who obviously was apprehensive to start with, are you guys listening to me at all?
Yes, sir.
I don't think anybody is listening. They don't care. I
Yes,
don't think
sir.
anybody cares.
Yeah, we're here.
Nobody cares. It's
No,
not
sir.
Paul, it's me.
Hello?
It's not Paul, it's me.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir. Actually, the trainees were gone to the mannequin room.
Very hell. So I'm talking to you two.
Yeah, sorry, I just lost.
Wow, what a waste of time, yeah.
Sorry.
Chalo. Nasir. You haven't asked any questions, भाई.
सर मैं कह रहा था अभी डिस्कशन यही अपने वर्ड से बात हो रही थी कि अगर इसको मसला और अगर इसकी पोजीशन स्ट्रेट कर दे टीआई में थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाएगा जाना.
टीआई तो चले गए यार बगैर
अच्छा.
मुश्किल के. तो हम क्यों चेंज करें पोजीशन? शी इज अ लेडी, राइट?
ओके सर.
The last thing you want to do, in my opinion, what we should do in a lady while she is sedated is to bring her supine.
ओके सर.
Right or wrong?
यस सर एब्सोल्युटली.
No, you don't have to say it if you don't agree.
नहीं सर ये मैं पेशेंट देख नहीं रहा था मैंने कहा शायद मैं लो.
बातें करना बंद करें ना.
Okay. You're not watching the screen, that means.
No, he knew that. He was just distracting me, so we couldn't discuss
No,
it.
होता है ना. लेकिन अभी तक आपकी आंतों में हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिला. सब माशाल्लाह ठीक है. इसका फिर एक और टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. वो करके फिर हमें और पता चल जाएगा. आप फिक्र नहीं करें, इंशाल्लाह ठीक हो जाएंगे. और दवा भी देंगे, उससे आप बहुत बेहतर हो जाएंगे. कैन वी पुट हर ऑन GTN पेस्ट या along with the mebeverine and give her fibo and distalgesic for SOS pain. Yeah, so OGD कर दो. So you want to go in again and aspirate that area जो water का, or you don't. So if you're doing a screening colonoscopy, then it's important to see this area, right? If you're doing a colonoscopy which is for, ileocecal TB or something like that, then you can probably leave it. But I think it's best to aspirate so much, but you need to know that your suction is at 5 o'clock. So you need to put that puddle at 5 o'clock and then do suction. Otherwise you'll have your mucosa coming back to you. और सक्शन का तरीका यही होता है कि आप थोड़ा थोड़ा सक करो ना. ओके राइट, दैट लुक्स बेटर नाउ. यू हैव सीन दैट एरिया. ओके ठीक है, आ जाओ. गुड. ओके, एंटिसिपेट. वेल डन. सी दैट्स व्हाट एंटिसिपेटिंग. वी फेल बैक. सो व्हाट डू वी पुल बैक. यूजुअली यू अनडू व्हाट यू डिड, सो यू विल बी बैक वेयर यू वर. वापस क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन दो. राइट, टिप अप करो, अंदर जाओ वापस. सर केस कर लें यार. देखें, एवरी टाइम यू आर अप्लाइंग सक्शन, म्यूकोजा इज कमिंग इन, राइट. अभी मैंने सक्शन कम भी करा दिया फिर भी. इसका मतलब ये है कि वी शुड मेक श्योर दैट व्हेन वी आर अप्लाइंग सक्शन दैट वी आर इन द मिडल एंड अवे फ्रॉम द पडल, अवे फ्रॉम द म्यूकोजा. ठीक है. अदरवाइज अब इस जगह को दोबारा आप जाके देखोगे तो कभी यहाँ पे अगर पॉलिप नज़र आ जाए तो बी वेरी केयरफुल. आपने खुद ही क्रिएट किया है पॉलिप. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ यू सी, या इफ यू डू दिस, ठीक है. अब एक मिनट, अभी आप ये रख के करेंगे पुल बैक. अगर आप यू करेंगे पुल बैक, यू विल फॉल बैक, राइट. अगर आपने, अब आप एंटिसिपेट कर रहे हैं कि यू नीड टू गो क्लॉकवाइज. अब आप जब आपने क्लॉकवाइज किया, अब आपको पता है कि यहाँ जा रही है, तो आई विल डू एंटी क्लॉक. टिप अप करें थोड़ा. ठीक है. आई विल सी एवरीथिंग एंड आई विल नॉट फॉल बैक. ठीक है. आई विल कीप सीइंग. अब मुझे पता है कि ये यहाँ जा रही है, अब नीचे करेंगे थोड़ा सा. मूवमेंट्स आर स्मॉल, यू अंडरस्टैंड. तो आपने एंटिसिपेट करना है और अपने टॉक को यूज़ करना है. वेल डन. टिप अप करें, टिप अप करें, टिप अप करें, वापस अंदर जाएं, टिप अप करें, थोड़ा सा एंटी क्लॉक करें, टिप अप करें. यस, सी, you just use torque steering in perfect way. ठीक है. So this is what you need to practice and inshallah everything will be good. हमने फिर सक्शन कर लिए और हमने फिर म्यूकोजा ले लिए. चलो, अब ये इस तरफ जा रही है तो आप थोड़ा सा राइट पे हो जाओ, मतलब सॉरी क्लॉकवाइज हो जाओ. ठीक है. गुड गुड गुड. थोड़ा सा और क्लॉकवाइज. ठीक है. सी, you are actually turning as the mucosa is turning. That way you are using your torque or clockwise. That's it. ठीक है. तो जैसे आपके पास आ रही है तो you are actually उसकी जो antagonistic movement है वो आप कर रहे हो. चलो ठीक है. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. Now I will go anti clock. I'll go anti-clock and pull back. Well done. Good. More anti-clock. Tip up. See, you're holding your position. You're not falling back, right? So more anti-clock. Come back. More anti-clock. अब आपने थोड़ा कम कर लिया ना, तो इसलिए आप fall out हो गए, कोई बात नहीं. Go back in. So all you need to do is, for going back, you go in. Yeah. Go back in, right? Anti-clock, well done. That's the opening there. Very good. Now clockwise थोड़ा सा नीचे जाओ, अंदर वापस. शाबाश. See, what you are struggling with is दो चीज़ें. एक तो आपको जब इसको नीचे करो, जब आपको एंटी क्लॉक ज़्यादा चाहिए तो आप यहाँ से शुरू करो. अगर क्लॉक चाहिए, एंटी क्लॉक ज़्यादा चाहिए तो यहाँ से शुरू करो. ठीक है. अगर आप यहाँ से शुरू करोगे तो यही करोगे ना. नंबर 2, अगर आपको ये करना है, एक सेकंड दिखाओ. If I don't want to do this, right? I just don't want any pressures on my end. So look, we are where you want it to be, and full torque, right? And no stiffness here at all. So what did I do? I used this hand, and look what this hand is doing. So मैं बाहर निकालूंगा, and I will just be doing what I was telling you to do. And look, the torque that I have, anti-clock. See, I have no problems now. I can do more if I have to. ठीक है? I am not doing anything. I am just using this. ठीक है? They are both working. So if I want to come back here, and I know that we will go here now, so I am just gentle. If I want to rotate completely, I have rotated my scope completely. Look at the same place. Okay, I've taken everything out. I'm straight. My scope is straight. I'm not pressing here. I'm not doing this. Okay, so this is, you're back to where you wanted to be, and you can fall back around se. And see, the thing is, you don't have to use it. I'm not. Look at my thumb. I'm not using it. There's hardly any pressure in it, right? मैंने full turn कर लिया, ठीक है, and without any pressure on my thing. Yeah. If you can do this, your colonoscopy will be so easy and so good for your thumb. Okay. So you come back, now you want to do, yeah, you need to do that. So you have to be a little careful with this because this lady has lower abdominal pain. So come out, no problem, we'll do it. We'll do it, don't worry. Yeah, come on. Pull back a little bit more. Tell me, how do you do retroversion? देखो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. थोड़ा सा और पीछे करो. ठीक है? Okay. So that's out. Go back in. Go back in. Clockwise a little bit. Yeah, good. सीधा अंदर जाओ. Now tell me, what would you do? What is the concept? Concept is, you go here, then you want to turn back. So you go here. When you reach here, you do a full up. यानी कि big wheel is towards you, and then lock it. चलो, करो ये. Yeah, go. Now full big wheel towards you, right? Lock कर दो. ठीक है? Now this is towards you full, right? Now just do a gentle clockwise torque. Clockwise. If it doesn't work or feel tight, you can always redo it, but you are almost done. I think so. You did. Chalo, no problem. There you are. Well done. ठीक है, अब तुमने करना क्या है? You need to rotate. How do you rotate? Well done. How do you rotate? If you want to rotate, then again, let me show you one thing. Again, the same thing. ठीक है, we are here. I don't like my wheels to be locked, so I'll just come here. ठीक है, right? यहाँ तक आ गए. फुल आगे और घूमना है, पेशेंट को कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं है, वी नीड टू टर्न मोर, ठीक है। आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू डू दिस, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू use this and I'm literally not putting any pressure here. I've seen up to here, I'll see up to here, we've seen it all. Try and see if you can do it just one time quickly. बहुत ज़बरदस्त, अब सब मायना ठीक है बिल्कुल। एक अल्ट्रासाउंड इनका हुआ है नहीं हुआ? Remember, how does it move? For that condition it has to be straight. Now you do this, right? Now you do this, okay? Got it? Okay. And for that, if you have this, you will not be able to do it because it will not move. So for that, it's important that you're straight. Good, well done. Please take the air out. Thank the patient, and we should be done. ऊपर करें टिप, एयर निकालें, शाबाश, पीछे करने में निकाल लें स्कोप को, टेक योर स्कोप आउट, ब्रिंग इट लिटरली टू द डिस्टल रेक्टम, नाउ कीप सकिंग एंड टेक इट आउट, या कीप सक्शन एंड टेक इट आउट। सब बिल्कुल ठीक है, बड़ी आंत आप में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है। पेल्विक का अल्ट्रासाउंड अगर नहीं हुआ तो करा लो, एंड ऑल्सो पुट हर ऑन दोज मेडिसिन। Can you do the, how was it? I'm sorry I had to take it because I knew she would have had pain. मुझे लग रहा था थोड़ा सा था शॉर्ट में, तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि मुझे इसलिए पेन हो, she didn't have pain.